Welcome to the first episode of our Swift programming series. Whether you're new to programming or looking to add another language to your toolkit, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of Swift, what it is, why we use it, and some of its standout features. So, what exactly is Swift? Swift is a powerful and intuitive programming language created by Apple. It was introduced in 2014 as a replacement for Objective-C, the language that had been used for decades to develop apps for Apple platforms. Swift is now the go-to language for developing apps across Apple's ecosystem, including iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Why use Swift? You might be wondering, why should I learn Swift? What makes it so special? There are several reasons why Swift has become so popular, and I will highlight a few key ones. Safety. Swift is designed with safety in mind. It eliminates entire classes of unsafe code, making your apps more stable and less prone to crashes. Performance. Swift is incredibly fast. It's designed to outperform older languages like Objective-C, which means your apps will run more efficiently and use fewer resources. Readability. One of Swift's biggest strengths is its readability. The syntax is clean and easy to understand even for beginners. Interoperability. Swift can work seamlessly with existing Objective-C code, which is great if you're updating older projects or integrating with legacy systems. Now let's talk about some of the features that make Swift stand out. Type inference. Swift can automatically infer the type of variable or constant, reducing the amount of code you need to write while still ensuring type safety. Optionals. Swift introduces optionals, powerful feature to handle the absence of a value safely. This helps prevent common errors like null pointer exceptions that are common in other languages. Closures. Closures in Swift are similar to lambdas in other languages. They're self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around to your net code, making it easier to write flexible and reusable code. Open source. Swift is open source, which means it's constantly being improved by developers around the world. This also means you can use Swift to develop not just for Apple platform, but for Linux and even server-side applications. Protocols. Swift's protocols allow you to define a blueprint of methods, properties, and other requirements that suit a task or piece of functionality. They're central to Swift's approach to object-oriented programming. And that's a quick introduction to Swift. We've covered what Swift is, why it's widely used, and some of its key features. In the next episode, we will start getting a hands dirty with some actual codes, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions or topics like to see cover next, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.